Hello, welcome to the 12th tutorial of learning programming with JavaScript. In this, I'm going to show you about CSS styles through JavaScript and how to create a simple dark theme and just make our little hello world text look a lot better. It was kind of annoying me looking at the white small text these last tutorials. So to begin, we're just going to do the same DOM content loaded and text content equals hello world from one of the last tutorials. Just to show you again what this looks like, it's this small black text on the white background. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do with the CSS styles is make this font a lot bigger. So we can access this through the document.body.style, and then the font size is font with lowercase and then size with a capital S. And we're going to set it to 40 pixels. So now this is 40 pixels in height. So you can see there, that makes it pretty big. So now you can actually customize the text to whatever size you would like. I think I'm going to go with 50. So next, we're going to start our dark theme. We're going to set the background color to black. Now you can see here, the background's black, but the text is also black, so we can't see anything. So we're going to set the style color to white. And there it is, our dark theme. I think it's simple but very nice looking, a lot better than the small So that is your introduction to CSS styles. I just introduced 3 of the many CSS styles that there are. I've provided a link and a list to all of the CSS styles below. So if you would like, you can look into all the different ways that you can customize how this looks, maybe change what actual font is being used, change it to some Comic Sans or something. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this learning programming with JavaScript.